Holy. Oh man. Oh, that is so f***ed up. Oh my god. Oh my mother god. Hey Siri. Shit. Oh shit, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. Hey Siri. Call 911. The thing is, I'm riding a motorcycle and I hit this dog. I did not know who to call, and the dog's still alive. And it was laying in the middle of the road, State Road 60. And I just didn't know who to call, what to do. I didn't want to leave it for dead. And I'm holding the dog right now. It has a big gash on its right side, on its shoulder. No, I'm not. Luckily, I kept my bike going straight, but the dog's not doing too good. I mean, the dog is up and alert, but it's like gash, it's like bleeding. It has a very big gash on it. Is he okay? It has a really big gash. Excuse me, ma'am. Yeah, well, not the median. It's like on the shoulder of the road on the right side.
Okay, so you have help coming?
I got 911 coming.
Okay, I'm sorry. I was making sure.
Yes, there is a tag. Hello. Hi. I'm sorry to bother you this time of night, sir. Do you own a brown dog? This dog tried to cross State Road 60 and got hit. I pulled him out before any other cars hit him again, and right now it has a really big gash on him, and he's like bleeding. He's alive and he's awake and alert. I'm right by the Dunkin' Donuts. Oh, no problem. That's where she's very bad right there. Oh.
Yeah,
He sneaks out of the house.
Oh no.
I just gotten back from taking him to the dog park.
Call 911, so that's why I brought her here now.
Where's he cut at?
On the shoulder, and then there's another gash on the back as well. Yeah. I called 911. The tag did have their phone number on it, and I called them, and these are the owners.
But usually he just ends up in the park. And this time, I don't know why he came out here. He's never. I don't know, maybe he smelled something.
They came here, their dog got out on him. What? I told you this was bad. Oh, I gotcha. Okay, thank you for coming by the... is he okay?
Well, he did get hit, but I'll take him home.
There's a serious bad gash. He's gonna need some stitches for that. It's like sliced completely open. Like.
I'll take him home. We'll take him home.
Okay, well, thank you. I appreciate it.
Thanks for coming.
No problem. Good luck with everything.
Okay, yeah. Thanks again. Be safe.
No problem. Thank you for coming.
Yep. Have a good night.
You too.
Thank you for stopping for him.
You're welcome.